Hi guys! Guess what we're doing today? We are going camping! Sorry, I'm just trying to see if the lights are on. I don't want to leave any lights on. So yes, we're going camping today with my brother. Looks like lights are on. With my brother and our family and their family and friends, and yeah, it's Memorial Day weekend, so I figured we'd go for one night and just have some fun. So I'll take you guys with us. Hopefully my battery doesn't die because I didn't know we were going and I didn't charge the battery. However, it should be okay. So it should be fun. So he's been packing the whole car. Having fun?
Yeah.
Is it loaded to the brim?
Yep.
Did you fit the cooler in?
You get a storage rack for the top of my car.
Yeah, that would be nice. We don't know if we can fit the cooler. We're gonna have to make it work, so we'll figure it out. Okay, look at our car. We are packed to the brim with children and stuff, all kinds of stuff. That looks really cozy back there, Talon. Can you guys see that?
I can put on mine because it's not on
Look at that.
I can put
Looks
on
nice
mine
and
because it's not.
cozy. Yeah, I told you guys we were packed to the brim. I don't think, oh no. Everly always takes her bows off, and I have no idea where she put her bow. Hang on, Miley. Do you know where Everly's bow is? I don't know where she put her bow. She takes it, she goes like this, and she pulls it off. See if you guys can help me find it. Where's her bow? And her blanket. Does she have a blanket? Oh, I found a binky.
Yeah, you got a blanket.
Okay, where's her bow? Okay, found one. This will do. So now we get to go to the store and find what we're gonna bring. So just some drinks and some food, Lunchables and different stuff. I guess they're cooking some Dutch oven stuff. So Steve's very picky and he doesn't eat that. However, I eat that. I wasn't recording. You have to kickstart my brother. We're here now.
Oh, we're pulling up.
Was that fun? Here's our tent, guys. You want to see it? We're just trying to set up right now. We're the only ones here with a tent. And our little coolers because we can't fit anything else. She's like, what are you doing to me? There you go. Alright. The boys had when they were young. Oh yeah, that's way cool.
Right in the middle.
How cute. It's like a little booster
It'll be
seat.
right in the middle.
How fun.
With a 5 harness seat. Just hold on to your belt. She's like jumping right in.
Here, Miley.
I know, she's like, whatever. She's gonna love it. She'll be begging to go. Has she gone?
It has her moments.
No. It's all No, hold on. I got your playpen set up. All buckled in.
Alright. That's why
She doesn't know what's going on.
Travis,
No, Wiley. She's just like, whatever. Do you remember when you went in these when you were smaller, Travis? Do you remember when you went in these when you were little? No, I think you were pretty little.
Miley's cross.
Yeah. They're so comfortable, but I don't know if I have any left. Yeah, Kmart and Draper. Yeah. Next one. Hey, bye. Have fun. Going with Uncle Chad. Kylie and Travis. She's all excited. It's a girl.
No, it's not.
What are you guys doing? No? What were you doing? Did you go on something?
Yeah, we went.
Oh. Oh my gosh, she's so sweet. How pretty she is. She's so cute. Hi, Oakley. So Oakley.
Sit. Okay, I love you.
Oh my gosh.
Down. Say thank you. I love you. Hey, I love you. Okay, I love you.
Did you like it? What'd you think, Travis? Was that fun? Cool. You went up and down? Are you eating your bottle? Yeah. Okay guys, here's our tent. Fun stuff. We haven't set it up yet. We got the goods in here. Stuff for s'mores and just some goodies and the coolers. Then we gotta do the mattresses. Guess what guys, it's raining super hard outside. That's alright though, we have a tent and we are not getting wet, so that's really good. I'm just getting Everly's clothes on, her pajamas on. I am double layering her clothes, so I'm doing just like a little outfit. Alright, we just had dinner and now I'm feeding Everly her little meal. I brought her this baby food. Let's see what I got her. Bananas and apples. Yummy. It's been raining a little bit, but it's not bad. There's the campsite. So, yeah, we're just getting ready to do s'mores. We've got a campfire going and we're gonna do s'mores soon. Yummy. Sorry guys, I can't. Oh, it's hard to see. It's starting to get dark out. Are you eating your yummy food? We had lasagna. They did lasagna Dutch style, like in the Dutch oven. It was so good. And then I've got to clean up and set up in here. Since it was raining, the ground got all dirty and nasty. What's that? Daddy needs what? Marshmallows? Oh, well wait, let's wait a minute. Tell Daddy that I'll bring it out in a minute, okay? Why don't you get your jacket on? Get your jacket on, love. I gotta keep feeding her. Yummy. She was hungry, poor little thing. Okay, I'm gonna feed her and then I'm gonna clean up. Okay, let's see if I can set you guys up somewhere and clean and show you. Hold on. Okay. Let's see, this might work. Hold on. Ooh, okay, you guys can kind of see. Yum. Did you get a s'mores? Lily made a s'mores. Ooh, let me see. Let me see your s'mores. Yummy, take a bite. Is that good?
Oh, it's sticky.
It's sticky, yep, but it's tasty.
Hey, wait, Elmo.
Yeah, marshmallow.
I didn't know.
went all around the parking lot area, and she had a blast. And now Miley just went on a ride. And Talon's on a ride now, his first ride on a razor. So they went fast. It was really fun. Did you have fun? Did you go on the razor? No. You didn't go yet? You have to go. Oh no, you did. You went. No, I didn't. Yeah, you did. He did go, and he had fun. Can't believe you guys can still see us. It's pretty dark out right now. No?
I'm just kidding.
Are you having fun?
I think on a way there.
What'd you think of it? Oh, don't move my arm. What'd you think of it?
Good.
Yeah? Yeah. It's actually not that cold out, surprisingly, because it is, I think it's like probably 8:30 or so, and it's actually not that cold, but I'm kind of scared. We're in a tent.
It's not
And everybody else is in their little trailers.
It's not even scary.
It's not scary. Anyway, so we're in a tent, and they are all in trailers, so we're going to freeze our butts off tonight.
my marshmallow.
They're pretty excited. Can you guys tell?
Was that fun? Fast? Yeah.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
Were you
No
scared?
taxi cabin? Who's next?
Oh, this one wants
Oh, he's been begging.
All right, last one.
Did
Travis
Talon
gets
fit in
to
the
go.
middle or no? Probably not. No.
She's ready. She's running. You gonna go again one more time tonight? Oh, hold on. Let me. Oh no. Oh, thanks. Okay, hold on.
Is that her?
You going again? Yeah, probably. Miley's going again. You get to go again. Okay, have fun.
Trying to tear people.
Tell me about your ride. Was that fun?
Yeah, I wish he went to 80.
To 80? How fast did he go?
50.
Crazy boy. That was still fun though.
Sure, yeah. It was really fast, but I want to go 80.
Yeah, you're silly.
But there's not enough, like you know how, the road wasn't long enough.
Oh, the road was long enough to go that fast? What do you think? How fast did you go?
Not very fast. It was about to take me pretty fast.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's fun. Did you have a s'mores?
No.
Do you want one?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
I want roast.
You want a roast marshmallow? Okay, you gotta find the marshmallow stick. I don't know. Are you enjoying your s'mores?
Awesome.
You want some? Okay. Yummy! Did you make the marshmallow yourself?
No.
Hey, have you seen this instruction? No, I can't believe how big of a trooper she is. Like, hell yeah, she just wants to keep going.
You're so good.
Alright, son. What? You want to wish on that? Alright, hold on, I'll be right back, okay?
Everly! What you got? Oh no, she's eating a marshmallow. Crazy girl. Good morning. Today is another day camping, and we're getting ready to go home soon, but not quite yet. We're just gonna hang out for a little while today, make some breakfast, and just let the kids play around, get some energy out. Our little thing is a mess. What you doing, Har? What you doing? Hi. She found marshmallows. She's pretty excited. So yeah, we have a mess in here. It wasn't too bad sleeping last night. It was actually kind of nice out. Now we're just hanging out in the heat. You guys playing? Miley? Miley won't let me change her. Were you playing with her, Seth? They were playing tag.
Look, is that your drink right there? Whose drink is that one?
clean the tent out. Kids are just hanging out. Travis is a mess. He's just purposely putting dirt on it. Oh my gosh. Did you find all those nails? Ooh, good thing you found them so that we don't step on them. Travis, you're probably the messiest I think I've ever seen in my entire life. Crazy boy. Look at those feet.
So my mom's like, do you understand I told you to stop? I was like, no. Wait, yes I do.
Cleaning up now. The mess. We got so much stuff. Told you guys we had a lot of stuff. And it all fits in there. And this is just for one day. Crazy, right? And I brought so much clothes for the kids to change into. They didn't end up changing. I know there's pants everywhere. They never change. Dirty kiddos. What's the point, right? When they're that dirty. Are you singing, Miley?
Sarah.
What?
What's her? Let's see.
She wants to stay with her mommy. She's a mama's girl. All packed up and ready to go. It's always so sad when you're leaving. But it's nice to be able to go home and get showered.
No,
You guys ready to take a shower? Guess nobody's listening. You are so dirty.
Yeah.
You crazy girl.
That's on the sand.
Load it up good again.
That's on the sand.
It's from the sand. Campsite's getting bare. Steve did a good job loading up. You got it to fit?
Yep.
That's good. So a lot of stuff.
Oh.
Was that the soda?
No.
Oh, something just came shooting out.
Watch out.
Alright, there you go. If you guys had fun, we'll be camping more often during the summer. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
You want to camp again? Okay. We'll go again soon. Next time we'll go next to a lake or something.
It was
where
fun with a lot of people.
Nice and cold. Nice and cool at
It was
least.
fun for people.
Yeah, it's fun for a lot of people.
Not just
Alright, thanks for watching. Bye!